These are the basic tools you'll need to complete your pockets. Your PDF pocket piece, your dressmaker scissors, some pins, your fabric, any marker of choice, and a small ruler. You'll also need your sewing machine, your serger if you are using one, an iron and an ironing board. Print your pocket piece at actual size. You can see these little measurements will help you to see if you printed it in the correct size, 1 inch from the top and 6 inches from the top. Cut out 2 pairs of pockets out of your fabric. This pocket template and tutorial will work for any garment that has side seams. Remember to snip your notches because they're going to really help you when you line up the pockets together. I have here my skirt piece. This is the top of the skirt and I've got right sides together, and I want to now put those side notches onto my skirt piece so that I can match the pocket to the skirt. I'm placing it 1 inch down, 2.5 centimeters from the top, and then I've cut my little notches there. Using whichever method you prefer, you can finish off your side seams as well as your pocket edges. I've just overlocked mine, so I'm going to pin those notches together now with the right sides facing. So the right side of my pocket is facing the right side of my skirt. I wanted to mention that I'm sewing my pockets into the Fleetwood dress by French Navy. I've done a full video tutorial on how to sew this dress. Next, we are going to be stitching just shy of the seam allowance. So whatever seam allowance your pattern calls for, just shy of that. So mine calls for 1 centimeter and I'm doing it at about 8 millimeters. We're going to be understitching on the right side now, on the pocket side. So as you can see, I got as close to the fold as possible on the pocket side. You're going to be doing this for all 4 side seams and pocket pieces. Now placing the right sides of the fabric together, we're going to line up the side seams and the pocket pieces. So we're going to pin the top and then pin the bottom of the seam, and then we're going to take those notches we made, those 3 notches, and match them up. At this point, I like to just sort of feel on the pocket opening there that the 2 pockets are lying exactly on top of each other, and then I just place a pin there so it doesn't fold open while I'm sewing. If you don't feel confident eyeballing it, you can mark out your pivot point on the corner there. So I'm marking the 1 centimeter so you can see it's falling just outside of the stitching we previously did. So at the bottom here I'm doing the same. I'm marking the 1 centimeter and then following along with the pocket, I'm marking my pivot point. Then I'm checking that there's a gap big enough for my hand, and I'm just going up a couple of centimeters up the bottom. This just helps make the pocket a little bit deeper. So I've sewn down and then around the whole pocket, and then I've sewn up a little bit and then down again to the end of the seam. Now you can flip over to the right side, and as you can see, our understitching is hidden and our pocket is complete. Give that a good press and you're done.